Hey, I'm Nicole, and I built WiseIntake for small law firms that are tired of missed calls, voicemail chaos, and intake that lives on sticky notes. In this quick walkthrough, I'm going to show you exactly what happens when your firm subscribes, how your intake link is created, and what your clients and your team will actually see. Right here on the homepage, you'll choose the plan that fits your firm best. When you're ready, just click subscribe under your plan, and you'll be taken to a secure checkout to complete your subscription. You don't need to install anything or learn a complicated dashboard. You just subscribe once, and WiseIntake does the heavy lifting for you. After you subscribe, you're automatically redirected to this firm setup form. This is where you tell WiseIntake who you are and where to send your new intakes. You'll enter your firm name, your main contact email, your name, the plan you chose, and your practice areas. When you're done, you just click submit, and that's it. There's no extra setup screen or hidden configuration page after this. Behind the scenes, WiseIntake creates your firm inside the system and generates a unique intake link that's tied directly to your firm. You don't see all of this, but it's happening quietly in the background every time a new firm signs up. Within a few seconds, you'll get this welcome to WiseIntake email at the address you provided. Inside that email, you'll see your personal intake link. This one link is all you need to share with potential clients, on your website, in your email signature, on your Google profile, or even by text. When a potential client clicks your link, this is what they see. A clean, mobile-friendly intake form where they can enter their contact information, basic case details, how they heard about you, and how they prefer you to contact them. No phone trees, no being put on hold, and no outdated contact us form that takes 10 minutes to fight through. They can fill this out from their phone, their laptop, or sitting in their car late at night. The form is always on, even when your office is closed. Let's walk through it like a real client would. I'll fill out the intake with some example details, and then I'll hit submit. As soon as they submit, WiseIntake takes over. Behind the scenes, the system matches that submission to your firm and sends everything straight to your inbox. You'll get an email like this, a new client intake message with all the information they entered in one place, ready for you or your staff to review and respond. No more digging through voicemail, no more who took that message conversations, and no more lost leads because someone forgot to call back. If you're exhausted from chasing missed calls, voicemail black holes, and half-finished contact forms, WiseIntake gives you a simple, automated way to capture new clients without changing how you practice law. Your firm subscribes once. WiseIntake gives you a unique intake link. Your clients fill it out in seconds, and you receive every intake automatically, day or night. If that sounds like something your firm needs, scroll down, pick your plan, and click subscribe to get your intake link set up in just a few minutes.